In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the area of a triangle. So we're all familiar with the classic formula, area equals 1/2 the base times the height for a triangle. But what if that's not the information that we're given and we still have to find the area? Let's say maybe instead we're given the length of AC here, so this base measure. Let's say we're given this length here, AB, and we are also told maybe the measure of the included angle. So how would we find the area of a triangle like this? Well, if you recall, we know that the height, although we're not given the height, we know that the height will form a smaller right triangle here, and we can actually use this fact to help us write a ratio for the height. So if we know this measure of angle A, we can kind of find the height by using this little right triangle. So the height, we're looking for the height, but we're given this opposite side, which is going to be the hypotenuse here. So the height over the hypotenuse, that's going to be sine, opposite over hypotenuse, h over c. So that's going to be equal to the sine of our given angle. So if I wanted to isolate h, I could just multiply by c. So h equals c times the sine of a. Now, we can take this information, because we're still given b, we're still given the base, and we can just substitute it in for h in this formula. So we would have the area equals 1/2 b times c times the sine of a. And this is actually the formula that we use. This is the formula that we use to find the area of a side angle side triangle. So if you're given a side angle side triangle, this is the area formula that you're going to use. So you take the two sides that you're given, you take their product, you multiply it by the sine of your included angle and cut that measure in half. So let's use this formula to solve a problem, to find the area of a given triangle. So we want to find the area of this triangle. So we're given this length here, we're given the length A and the length C, and then angle B here. So to find the area is going to be 1/2 the product of our two sides, 2 times 4, times the sine of our included angle, 45 degrees. So let's multiply this out. 2 times 4, that's 8, times 1/2, so that's 4, times the sine of 45, we know that's square root of 2 over 2. This ends up being 2 rad 2, so 2 times the square root of 2. And if you plug that into your calculator, you get that this is about, they want us to round to the hundredths, that's about 2.83 square units. So the area of this triangle is about 2.83 square units.